In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Walmart app to find items in store. Let's walk through it together so you can quickly see where items are located and whether they're available before you head down the aisle. Start by opening the Walmart app on your phone. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to log into your account. Being signed in helps the app show accurate pricing and in-store availability for your preferred location, which is key when you're trying to find something on the shelf. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This is your fastest route to the exact product you want. Type the item name as clearly as possible. Think gallon freezer bags, AA alkaline batteries, or a brand plus size like 32-ounce dish soap. As you type, you'll likely see helpful suggestions. Pick the one that best matches what you need to narrow the results. On the results page, browse until you see the item that matches your goal. You can scroll to compare options, prices, and ratings. Under or near each listing, you'll often see notes about pickup or in-store availability tied to your selected store. When you spot the right item, tap it to open the product page. Here's where you get the details you need to find it in store. On the product page, look for options like color or style and choose the one you want. Some items also have size or pack quantities. Selecting the correct variant helps the app show the right shelf location and availability. You'll typically see whether it's in stock at your preferred store, and in many cases, an aisle location will appear. If it's available, note the aisle number and any section details so you can walk straight to it when you arrive. From this screen, you can either add the item to your cart or use Buy Now. Adding it to your cart is useful if you plan to place a pickup order or want to keep a running list as you shop. Buy Now is great when you're ready to check out immediately. If your goal is simply to find the product in store, the aisle information on this page is often all you need. If you don't see an aisle listed, it may vary by store or be temporarily out of stock. In that case, trying a different color or size can sometimes surface availability. That's it. Open the app, sign in, search, choose the exact item, confirm the variant, and use Add to Cart or Buy Now as needed, with the aisle info guiding your in-store visit.